Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites and taking the first actions. Make sure your iPhone has Siri enabled, your iOS is current, and the microphone works. Once done, restart the phone to clear transient glitches, then open voice memos and speak to verify the mic captures clean audio. If the mic fails here, you fix hardware or permissions first. If it works, you proceed to Siri-specific settings. Doing this narrows the problem quickly, so you don't waste time chasing the wrong cause. Next, you tackle the core configuration. Disable Hey Siri, wait about 10 seconds, then re-enable it and retrain your voice so Siri recognizes you more reliably. Make sure Siri's language and voice match your accent and region. Mismatches cause recognition errors. If responses are slow or fail, reset network settings to clear DNS or carrier issues. This often resolves remote processing failures. While doing these steps, test Siri after each change so you identify which adjustment fixes the behavior most directly. Finally, apply the last fixes to complete repair. Update iOS and reinstall any apps added right before issues began, since app conflicts can break Siri. If problems persist, back up and choose Reset All settings. This preserves data but clears misconfigurations. After resetting, re-enable Siri and test. If Siri still misbehaves, enable diagnostics, note error behavior, and contact Apple support with logs. One key tip: always back up before resets. That prevents data loss if you need deeper troubleshooting or a restore.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.